4600 complements other standards. ISO 26262, MIL Standard 882, and so on are potential starting points. Those standards should be used where applicable, especially for functional safety. Other emerging standards can also be applicable. For example, ISO PAS 21448, having to do with SOTF analysis, and design and validation process frameworks, and SafeAD and emerging standards. All these sorts of things can and should be applied when applicable. But what's left out of those is the system-level approach for knowing that things are handled. As a simple example, 26262 will say do a hazard analysis, but it doesn't tell you what hazards you probably need to mitigate, whereas 4600 has extensive lists of did you think of that types of things. For example, in Pittsburgh, a sinkhole opened up and half swallowed a city bus. In this case, there's a human driver, and the human driver knew that even though the bus was not a bus stop, this would be a really good time to open the doors and let the passengers out. And those are the types of hazards that you might not think about unless they've happened to you. But 4600 gives you a way to learn from other people's experience and think of those sorts of things to decide if they require technical mitigation in your system.